It's me again, Insane Roblox Gaming, and today we're playing this game called Mega Yacht Tycoon. So we have to build our own yacht. The top of the leaderboard, the guy who has the most money is this Uruti. So we have to get money first, which we can get from this, I think. And the more things you upgrade, the faster the money will come. So I have to make this and this core structure and this deck floor. I mean, this looks like a pretty good yard so far. And then we have to go to the back here and deck rails. And then I'm out of money. So if I press on the show buyable button, it will take me to the cheapest option, I think. So buy this interior walls and the floaties and this anchor. Yep, I'm out of money. So I think we have the starter yard, and then it looks like this. We're going to upgrade it a lot. So we'll get our seatings, and I'm out of money again. This is so frustrating. I have to run back and forth, back and forth. But it's worth it at the end. I'll go by the seating, this entrance. Oh, this looks cool. And I'm out of money again. So go here and then buy this interior sliding. Oh my god, this is becoming really frustrating, guys. I'm not having enough money. And this keeps on like, and it keeps lagging for some reason. So this is my dock. I think this is the best way to build the yacht. So first I have to buy this seat. And I'm officially out of money again. This is just great, guys. This is just great. So guys, like in this one, I'm gonna be completing the starter yard. If you want to, if you want to see the part, if you want to see a part two, then I will do the titanium mega yard. So if you guys can type in the comments what I should do. If you want a part two, I'll do that. So I have to go this way, and then we need another seat, a seat, and another seat. Good. Oh, you can see the whole outside from here. But don't the yachts have a ceiling? Do they? Or do they not? I don't know. I've never been on a yacht. I mean, I've been on a boat, but I've never been on a yacht. If some of you guys went on a yacht, please type in the comments how they experienced it. Wait, you can turn on the water on the tap? Like, I need to see this. Does it work? Wait, it's working. If you zoom in and check closely, then it's working. Okay, so now I have to go this way, and then I have to get the money again. Oh, guys. But we're getting more and more money by the time. See, as you can see on the top, we can get plus $19 per second, I think. I'm pretty sure we need to buy this seating. So we have 20 now. I think every one that you buy, it increases, guys. So yeah, I have to see that one. Why is it continuously asking me if I want to buy $2,000 of cash? I have a feeling because I have a feeling it's asking me because I can't afford this here. That's why it's asking me, do you want to buy $2,000 of cash? And I still don't have enough. I don't even know why I came here. Who's that guy? His name is Paul Hartswardo. And this guy's name is God's Chief. I think they're the best players in this game or something. Most probably. Or maybe not. So now I think I can buy the stairs. Yep, now I can go up. Upper dock structure. So I can build the up. So wait, the lower dock is basically done. But it doesn't even have a roof, guys. Oh wait, the second floor thing will be the roof. Now it makes sense. Now it's making a little sense by the minute. As you guys can see, now I have 1.1618120. You guys get it. So it's basic. Now I have $22 per second. I'll go up. Now I'm pretty sure, yeah, we can buy that. What? How did I just fall from the roof? This is weird. How am I falling from the roof? Oh, I get it. Okay, let's forget about that. Now we'll go here. Are there any like auto collect? How much? It's for 299 Robux. Guys, speaking of Robux, whoever whoever subscribes me, I'll give them 5 Robux. So yeah, if you want to get Robux, please subscribe. Satellites. I need to get more money. There are a lot of thing. There are a lot of game passes. I mean, I can buy, but I don't want to. No, I think my game is lagging for some reason. So guys, I'm just gonna stay AFK for a few minutes. And now we have 7.69k. So let's just collect that. And we'll go back to the top. We'll just go here where that's seating. And then that. And then this. Wait, what? You can drive from here? So now we'll go. Are you serious? Seriously, I have to like go and get more money, man. Okay, now I have 4.39k. I don't know why that opened. We'll just buy the driving system. And now we're officially done. We're officially done with our starter yacht, guys. So, so let's go here. So now we're officially done with our starter yacht. So let's just collect the remaining money and we'll go for a test drive. Just to check. Okay, so I have to go to the driving area. Like that. Now now I can ride it. This is so cool. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna play for a little more while. So please like and subscribe.